So slide layouts are how the slide is organized, where the text goes and the size of the font, that sort of thing. So for example, this is a title layout with the title and a subtitle section. This is where I put the title here and then I have room for text here. This is probably the most commonly used format for most slides. This is a one where I can have like a break in between and put like a new subtitle in. This has got columns. So I can create the layout of my slides. I can do that in two ways. I can click on the slide that I want to change and then go up here to the layout in my second toolbar, and then I have my choices, and it gives me a little preview and shows what each one looks like. So if I want this to be a caption at the bottom, so maybe I just want to add the name of a website or a little caption for a big picture that goes on here, I can do that. Let's say I want to change this layout to be a big number on the top. So you can just change each layout. Another way you can do that, you can do a right click on the slide and apply a layout that way. Or you can go up to the slide on the first toolbar and apply a layout there. So whichever way works for you. Usually you're going to want some sort of title slide up at the top. This is probably what you're going to use the most often. Oops, this one right here. Title and body is probably the one you're going to use the most often. Now keep in mind that as you change themes, your layouts are going to change a little bit. So for example, if I change to this, show you the layout options. It's basically the same. I have a title slide, I have a section header, I have a title and body, but how they're organized is going to look a little different. Notice, for example, the section title and description has this green bar here, main point is in purple. So they have the same choices, but the actual look might be different depending on the actual theme that you choose, which is why I like to do a theme up front and then look at the layouts and make sure it's going to work for my presentation. Right? So work and get some different layouts on some of your different slides.